Hey there! So, let's talk about the interesting problem we have at hand. We have some Polars DataFrames, and we need to compute row-wise statistics on them. Some DataFrames have a handy list.func function available, like list.mean, while others don't. In those cases, we can use list.val for the computation. For our example data, we formulated an expression that involves filling NaN values, evaluating the quantile at 0.25, exploding the result, and finally aliasing the column as Q1. Now, on to the solution. The recommended approach here is to melt and join the data frame, which can be more efficient than using list.eval. This method also allows for adding other row-wise aggregations easily. The provided code snippet involves creating a new data frame with row indices, melting it, grouping by the indices, and then aggregating the quantiles for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Finally, sorting and dropping unnecessary columns give us the desired result. In summary, we've explored a problem involving row-wise statistics on Polars DataFrames and discovered a solution that leverages melting and joining for efficient computation. It's a neat approach that opens up possibilities for additional aggregations. Well, that's all for now. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a witty comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.